UFC 112, Saturday, April 10th. Check your local listings.
Actually, I consider my second home. First home is Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. The second is right here. I feel great with the weather, with the heat, with the humidity. Everything is great. The people, the food. I couldn't ask for anything better. When you look at the number of fights, from that sense, yes. But when you look from the experience, I've been doing this since I was 5 years old. I was in my father's locker room when I was 5 watching him fight. So the experience that I have oversees anything that he could ever dream of. He can fight his whole lifetime, he won't be able to achieve the knowledge that I have in here and in here. I'm looking forward to fight him for the fact that he fought 2 guys of my camp and he walked out victorious. Even though I think with Matt Serra he lost, but the referee, the judges actually gave the wrong decision, which is okay. I do think if you don't really convince them, they can pick anyone they like. They're gonna go by the looks, by heritage, by their religion, by whatever they believe it's the right thing to do it. But that's why you gotta go in the ring and really show who won the fight. So I'm looking forward to take that smile out of his face, you know.
UFC 112, Saturday, April 10th. Check your local listings.